Okay, good morning, friends. Today we are discussing about a topic, a protein synthesis. Protein synthesis. It takes place in three steps. It completed in three steps. The first is transcription. Second is translation, and third is translocation. We are already discussed in last lecture about these steps. Today we are discussing about detail in these steps, but in short. First, transcription. Now, what is transcription? The process of formation of mRNA by DNA, that we call it transcription. Formation of mRNA from DNA is called as transcription. Second term is that translation. Before to discuss about translation, we are discussing what is mRNA. mRNA is a single stranded molecule on which three sets of nucleotide are present. These are the nucleotide. Example AUG, CCA as like nucleotide. This is the mRNA. Now mRNA have three sets of nucleotide, and these three sets of nucleotide we called it codon. Okay, each codon are responsible for specify particular amino acid. AA in the sense amino acids. Now a transcription in the sense formation of mRNA from DNA. Now translation is the process in which tRNA supplies amino acid as per message on mRNA is called as translation. We are already discussed about the types of RNA in last lecture. RNA types. Here first is mRNA. What is the role of mRNA in protein synthesis? To carry a particular message for protein synthesis in the form of three sets of nucleotide, and that nucleotide we called it codon, and each codon is responsible for specify a particular amino acid. The second type of RNA is tRNA. Now tRNA is also called as transfer RNA because it supplies amino acid. Here is the structure of tRNA. Suppose these are the anticodon of tRNA. We call it anticodon. Okay, tRNA carries particular amino acid for protein synthesis. And third type of RNA is rRNA. It also called as ribosomal RNA because on mRNA ribosome is attached. These ribosomes is also called as protein factory, and for production of protein ribosome require amino acid. These amino acid are supplied to ribosome by tRNA according to sequence present on mRNA. These amino acids are assembled or joined to each other with the help of rRNA, and there is formation of protein. Here we call it protein. Okay, now function of tRNA is to supply amino acid as per message on tRNA, and that process we called it translation. Okay, now third concept, translocation. Now translocation is nothing but movements of these ribosomes on mRNA from one to another end by sequence of one codon is called as Translocation. Here translocation we can write a movement of ribosomes from one end of one end of mRNA to other end by the distance of by the distance of one triplet codon during translation. This we call it translocation. Translocation in the sense change the location or locus of the ribosomes. Here protein synthesis in short we are discuss here. These are 3-mark question, or sometime on this topic there is 2-mark question also. What is steps of protein synthesis? It completed in 3 steps: transcription, translation and translocation. Transcription in the sense formation of mRNA from DNA. Translation, tRNA supplies amino acid as per message on mRNA. Translocation, movement of ribosomes from one end of mRNA to the another end by the distance of one triplet codon during translation. This process is called as translocation. And now here we can define another term, triplet codon. It is also for 1-mark question, triplet codon. Separate 1-mark question, triplet codon. What is triplet codon? Here is the mRNA. On mRNA there is a 3 sets of nucleotide. We called it codon or triplet codon. Each codon specify particular amino acid. Now a definition of triplet codon: a 3 nucleotide which code for each amino acid known as triplet codon. Now another term we are discussing here, anticodon. Anticodon, it is for also 1 marks. The 3 sets of nucleotide, 3 sets of nucleotide present on tRNA is called anticodon.